All right, Wowchi. Just spell your name for the viewers.
Wowchi. Wowchi.
The inspiration, the rat song, where it comes from?
I was at the music house, chilling out with Deegan. I'm a rat run in our living room and head to the stove and get toast. You know what I mean? I try to lift off the pot. What that? Beer rat trap back at that.
All right. What I know about this artist, we were in Portmore, and he was with Sashka Production, and he performed with us, and I know him as a serious artist. The song that you did was this song about in the prison.
Oh, out of jail, must come out of jail.
Telling you, it was crazy. It's a song that you would have older meds on. So to see suddenly you have this song out, something that will make people laugh. Why that rude?
Versatile, sort them in cursing all. Well lyrical. So eventually, you don't know, we have to do something fun. Grab the media, then we get on to business.
And you see what grab the media? You see what grab the media, Links TV viewers? Are we going to ask him to just do a little piece for us, please? What would you?
G-Brain, what we gonna do tonight? Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Me a mad, what up me spot? Big fat sour black rat.
Hey, a Wowchi me attack for me yacht with beer rat trap back at that. Rat pies, rat a run boy, yeah. Them a look food. Me no know about them, but me know about we. We a kill one of them rat, yeah. Rat them a flip rat trap and a lift off me pot. We a shoot one of them rat, yeah. Rat me can't sleep all night time. Nam off the whole of me bulla. And me no know how for use. We no know how for choose. We a kill one of them rat, yeah. See one of them tail, yeah. Say them bad look how quick me poison them. It come like say cheese no work again. So me send one of me big black cat from Links TV fi bite off them head and burger them. Yes, the rat them take over we host. Them bite up with furniture, buy some Sashka clothes. One child fi run cross the stove and get toast. Me no know about them, but me... Hey, mad we.